his rear axle's twisting a lot every time he gives gas. That's nuts. This thing is awesome. What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel, and today we are out here trying to do some mudding, but I got out a little late. I kind of slept in, but you can see we're here, and the guy that I'm meeting up with, he kind of already broke down. You can see that thing behind me there, and this guy was nice enough to pull him out, but unfortunately it's really soft out here and he got stuck as well. So I'm gonna go pull up behind him, try to winch out the pickup truck, and then we're gonna try to pull out the Suzuki, because basically I have no winch points. I have no attachment points on the back of this thing right now, so I can't pull him out. I'm still working on getting a bumper, so we'll winch the truck out and then we'll work on the Suzuki. So let's get at it. Right here or closer? Yeah, I see it, I see it. So, I'm gonna have to get in and hold my brakes because my e-brake doesn't work, but my controller's long enough. All right, time to put this winch to work. Hey, we got him out. Nice. That worked. Just because I got the yellow Jeep doesn't mean I'm trying to bite Matt's off-road recovery. This is Mike's off-road recovery today. And here's the guy that owns these Suzukis. You got it broken already, eh?
Oh yeah.
This one's pretty cool.
I knew it was gonna happen, right?
I actually had a Sidekick as my first car.
Did you?
Yeah,
No,
it was a 96.
Wow, eh?
With the transfer case and everything. It was a 4-door.
Fuck.
It was fun. It was a fun little car.
Yeah, yeah.
But it didn't last.
Of course not, they ever do.
Right.
Fuck.
Well, you can see we didn't make it to the swamp quite yet. We were trying to go to the swamp. I think that's a little bit further in that ways. But definitely it's an interesting start to the day. So far so good. The winch works good. Hopefully he can get out with the truck. Sounds like he can get out. And check this thing out. This thing's a little beast. Like, take it in where the bottom of the bumper would be. Like, that's nuts. This thing is awesome. And I guess I'll give you guys a little bit more of a walk around when I know what I'm looking at, because I don't know what kind of lift or what kind of anything he has on it. But we can give you guys some close-ups. And I'm guessing that this is the culprit today. Drag link. And I guess it happens. What is this thing, like a 12-inch lift?
I think it's like fucking 3-4 feet.
It's fucking badass. thing, it steers itself and everything. Come on. Well, I think he should be able to get it out from there. If not, then we'll be over there and we'll yank him out. We'll pull him out. Swampers for the win. Not even spinning a tire.
Yeah, I have to go back later and grab it. On the bus?
How are you doing?
Good, good.
Thing's pretty wicked, eh?
Yeah. Well, it looks like we got her out. so far so good. And now we're actually at the swamp area, so we gotta watch out because this is where we might actually start to sink. But the Jeep is still fairly clean for the day, so I think we can go out and hit a few of these mud holes and swampy areas because it doesn't even look like we did anything yet. Yeah, here we are. I think he's already stuck. Do a lap around and see. Yep. And what did I say? 2 minutes in, and that's it. We're already sinking and we're stuck. And you guys can see that this is like really like, it's like pudding.
I'd fucking say.
Like you can see it just rolls. But Swampers for the win. So far, I can't complain about those tires. They're not even that aggressive. They do make a lot more aggressive Swampers and a lot more substantial Swampers. But these ones are pretty good. These ones do their job, and you can see, even though they get filled up, they do eject the mud actually really well, and you can see they do clean themselves pretty quickly. But it choked out?
Pardon?
It choked out?
Yeah, my choke on is fucked up, so I have to fucking put a wire around her.
It just like...
Yeah, so it's bogging out right now, but I'm
Yeah.
not stuck, I don't think.
And she's alive. Time to get back on the trail, and yeah, let's see what else we can get into. Probably won't be out here too much longer because it is Sunday and we all got other things that we need to do. Mainly eat, because nobody here is eating anything. So let's go, let's keep womping some dirt, and we'll have a little bit more fun, and then we'll get out of here. And he took off. He's gonna go enjoy some food, which hopefully we can go do soon too, and we won't get too stuck. But let's go back out there, let's hit a few more trails, and then we'll get out of here. Good? No? Well, we made it. That side of the Jeep got a little bit dirty, but we made it. Not bad.
Bro, that's crazy. You should get a video going through that. That's insane.
I felt it
Jesus.
sinking. That's why I don't want to go through again. I made it the first time. Let's not push our luck.
Yeah, those tires are fucking...
Have to go wash the Jeep after this one. Now we look like we did some off-roading. think he broke something because his rear axle's twisting. You see it? Every time he gives gas?
Yeah.
Yeah, you see his rear axle's twisting a lot every time he gives gas. That's no bueno. Get this guy trying to get up.
Oh yeah. You got it, buddy. You got it. You got it. Come on. Come on. You got it. You got it. Yeah, buddy.
But yeah, if you look, you can see how big the fucking U-bolts are around it.
Yeah, okay.
Right? The square U-bolts, any round ones. But it should be in the next couple of days and it'll be fucking good.
I know, there's like a gap.
Yeah, right? So that's why it's moving like that.
Yeah, so if you guys see, there's just a gap here in between the U-bolts. That's basically what's causing that. So quick fix, nothing big. But definitely look at this thing. We covered it pretty well, and you can see these clean themselves really well. Just from that like 50 feet that we drove off of the mud into here, it actually cleaned itself pretty damn good.
Fucking mint.
And now you guys can kind of get an actual visual of how big this thing is compared to mine. The bottom of his window is at the top of my roof, probably a little bit higher up. And snapped some good photos for you guys just there. So if you guys want to see some good shots from the day, definitely follow me on Instagram. There is always a link in the description to that, and you guys will see some awesome shots from today and from other days, from trail rides and just building the Jeep and everything in general. So if you guys want to see more, definitely click the link. And there you can see them all lined up. That thing is enormous and I love it. One day we'll build something crazy like this too. Let me know what you guys want to see. If you guys want to see me build Suzuki next, or if you guys want to see me build another Jeep or something else. But I used to have a sidekick. I used to have a Suzuki sidekick in '96 as my first car, and it was fun. I never took it off-roading, but it had the transfer case, it had four-wheel drive. So it would be cool to get one of those again. And let me know what you guys want to see, because I kind of want to put another off-road vehicle on the channel. Maybe not right away, but we will build something on the side and we will get something interesting, and maybe it'll be something JDM. So let me know what you guys think. Well guys, that's pretty much about the end of the trail for the day, and it looks like it might start raining in a minute, if you can see those clouds behind me. So yeah, it was a good day, and honestly I'm surprised we didn't get stuck in that one mud hole. Yeah, good day. Now next week we should be going out and doing another trail with a few other people. That one is going to be a little bit more rocky. It's called Concession Lake, sorry. And yeah, should be a lot more people. Should be the regular crew with the Gladiator and a few JLs, JKs, and all that good stuff. So definitely watch out for that video if you guys want to see some more off-roading. And if you're new around here, jump down there, hit that subscribe button, because there's tons more videos coming your way, guys. And until next time, guys, ride safe out there. Peace.